from $1,000 to $50,000 in 30 days. That is the challenge. So far we have grown this account to a certain amount. So in this video I want to show you day three trading profit, and then also I'll also be sharing with you some tips on how to be a successful forex trader. So if you want to learn how to trade forex, this video is for you, and also this channel generally is for you. We will be sharing with you great tips, and also some of our things that we have in the future for you guys as a new beginner in the forex field. So let's get started. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. I will take you to my phone screen now, so you see the three trades. We took like 4 trades today, so far all of them hit or we closed them at good profit. We did not wait for the trade to hit our take profit. We have to monitor the trade, and then I close them as I see a reasonable amount. So let's get started. And I enter the first trade, and then I put a stop loss and also take profit, which is risk management. As I always mention in this channel, that is very important. If you want to grow as a trader, you need to know how to manage your money and then manage risks. And then I use a lot size of 0.4 to trade, and my favorite pairs is BTC USD, that is Bitcoin, and then also Euro USD. But in this challenge to grow this $1,000 to $50,000, I'm going to concentrate on Bitcoin only. So this is the first trade. It is now showing positive sign, so I will just allow this to play out. Then I now enter the second trade. I change the lot size to 0.4, then put my stop loss and take profit. That is 2 trades in total. Then you see how this trade went. So if you want to learn how to trade forex, I have created a Telegram channel and also a WhatsApp channel where I will be sharing with you tutorial videos, and also take you step by step on how to be a successful forex trader. And I'll be sharing with you every trade that I take. So every day that I take a trade in this challenge, I will also paste it on the channel, so that if you want to copy the trade and trade with me, you are welcome. So if you want to join the group or the Telegram channel, I will leave the link in the comment section and also the description of this video. For those people asking me which broker are you using, I'm using Oct. I'll also leave the link in the comment section and also the description of this video. If you click register through the link, you will get 100% deposit bonus. Let's say for example you deposited $300, you also get $300 bonus to trade with. As you can see, the first trade has already in profit, so I'm trying to see if the market will keep going up, then we'll leave the trade. If the market will retrace back, I will have to close this trade as at this moment. As you are seeing here, I'm about to close this trade because one thing I noticed about the price action with BTC, it will always go up and come down before it now picks up. So I have closed the 2 trade, and then with a profit of about $600. So I will now wait for the trade to, as you can see, those are the profit, the 2 trades, and these are yesterday one, this is today one. So I will now wait for the market to retrace back, so that they will now prepare for London section. So we'll enter a buy order and keep. As you can see, this is the current chart now. So this long value gap that is creating here will have to retrace back to the previous one at this left hand side of the chart. So once it retraces back, that means the market will now retrace back by another $1,000. They will now enter another trade at that moment. As you can see, I've I've already buy those trade, and then when I went back to check, I've already seen another profit of about $471. So we'll also close this other trade now, then wait for the market to retrace again. As you can see, we have grown this account to about $2,531 from $1,450 as of yesterday. So we are on track to hit our target, which is $50,000 in 30 days. So if you are able to at least make $1,500 every day in profit, that means we'll be able to hit that target. But anything below that will not hit that target. So as the account grows, I will also increase the lot size to meet up with the challenge or the daily target of about $1,500 profit. So subscribe if you like this.